Firstly, open any browser and search there Google Translate. Then click on translate.google.com. This type of interface will appear. Now click on Document section. Then select PDF original language and the other language in which you want to translate that particular PDF. Firstly, we will see the PDF. Here you can see PDF language is Hindi. Now go back to Google Translate. You can select PDF original language and second language. Now click on Browse your files option. Choose that particular PDF or file you want to translate. You can see I have selected here.pdf. Now click on Translate option. So translation is completed. If you want to download translated PDF, click on Download Translation option. Then open this PDF. Here you can see Hindi language PDF is translated in English in very short time. You can simply go on Google Translate and click on Open Translation option. This file will be not downloaded on your system. So this is the simple process of translate any documents using web version of Google Translate. You can also translate different type of file